Hey there, it's Megan Andrew with you today, and I am opening up the February 2018 kit and add-ons from Elle's studio. The first thing I'm going to open up here is the kit, and this is the monthly kit that you get. It always comes with 2 sheets of die cuts, and I like how they're together on the sheet. You just have to press them out gently to get them to come off the page. So here's the other die cut. And the die cuts represent the full range of colors in the kits. So you can see here that little floral tag. There's all sorts of different themes. Fun today. There's a food tag on the menu. Cherish this. And there's quite a few blank ones for adding your own journaling and notes to. Now there's also some 4" by 6" tags in the kit. This one is great for adding extra journaling, as is this one. And I really love that marigold yellow color. And here's another 4" by 6" tag, all about food. So let's go into the 3" by 4" tags. This one coordinates with the icon stamp, so I'll show you that a little later. I love that minty green color in the kit. It's so pretty. And I really, really love that cerulean blue color as well. There are 2 tags in the kit that have these bold colors that are from the tags. And then there's this one that has all of the colors in the kit. And I really, really love those. I think they're so much fun. This teal with the pattern is a really cool filler tag, as is this one with the hearts. Here's another one in a different orientation that works with the icon stamp, and I'll be showing you that one. That would be a great one to put a photo in. I love this little note from me to you. That would be great for a kid's lunchbox. I love you more than. And then there's this other one. This is the warmer colors from the kit and the ampersand orange tag. So lots of great colors this month. It's kind of a rainbow kit. Okay, I'm just going to put this aside for a second and show you some of the add-ons that are available this month. These are the icon blank labels, and you can see here that these are going to coordinate with a few other products that are coming out this month. Let me just show you some of those. So this is the icon stamp, and I love that you can create your own journaling tag with this big space, and you can see that that coordinates with these tags in the kit. So it has the spot for filling in with your icon or saying or the circular saying there. And these guys are the wood veneer icons, so they coordinate with the stamp and also work inside the journaling tag circles. Next we have the February blank label stickers that coordinate with all the colors in the kit. Those are really easy to stamp onto. And these are the Shapes and Dots puffy stickers. I just love these. I use them so much on my projects this month. This is the Brave acrylic. I love that it's white so that you can color that with a permanent marker. Kind acrylic. Ampersand wood veneers and the camera wood veneers. These are the cork speech bubbles. And the best banner stickers. I really love how colorful those are. Okay, so this stamp came out last month, but I didn't get it until this box, and I wanted to show you how awesome it is. It is a 6" by 8" stamp, so it's a big one. It's called All the Details Stamp Set, and I love that it has numbers, circles, labels, banners, everything that you could need to add just a little bit of something to your project. It's sized really well for pocket pages and layouts. To coordinate with that stamp, we have all the details journaling tags, and each tag includes two of each design, and you have a front and a back. And these are pretty easy to use on any project. They come in a variety of colors and neutrals. They have large blank spaces for filling with journaling or embellishments, and the sizes of those spaces coordinate with some of the items on the tags. I really love that yellow one. Teal with this awesome blue color on the side, and you can see that these tags also coordinate with the colors in the February kit. So be sure to check this set out if you just need kind of a blank colorful set for adding some things. There you go, that's the latest and greatest from Elle Studio this month, February 2018. Be sure to click the link in my video notes to shop all this great product, and happy creating!